Home upgrades are essential, and what better way to do it than learning how to do it yourself? With incredible home upgrades and ideas that are easily affordable and achievable for all of us to take part in, we're counting down home inventions that will blow you away. Let's get started with the video. Number 11. Stretch ceilings. The first invention is not only super easy on your pockets, it's also a pretty cool life hack. Stretch ceilings are a smart investment, an easy way to cover old, tired ceilings. They require correct, parallel placement across the entire ceiling. The fabric is stretched into place, then clamped into the earlier installed fastening profiles. A curved assembly spatula is great for securing and stretching each corner into place, leaving behind a fresh, refurbished feel to the room without any of the crazy costs. Number 10. ENS 70 Sauna House. Imagine all the money and traveling time you'd save if only you had a world-class sauna in your tiny backyard. The ENS 70 Sauna House is the answer to all your pleas. Easy to assemble on any secure, level ground, the sauna house brings a quality, commercial sauna experience to your doorstep. You can also add an outdoor shower and a hot tub if you desire. It has multiple uses. PGH wood protectors are applied to all wood to keep it safe and secure. Arriving in prefabricated pieces, every part is precisely built and provided for you. With external dimensions of 508 by 354 centimeters, it's compact, energy-saving, and space-conserving treat for all you sauna lovers out there. Number 9. DOLLE ceiling storage containers. If you're a bit of a hoarder, you know full well how tough it is to get enough space to store all the things you own. Your overflowing cupboards are a sign that it's time to shift to better storage places. What about the ceiling? DOLLE has extremely ingenious solutions for optimizing ceiling storage. You can store anything from clothing, books, roller skaters, etc. safely out of sight. Their lightweight, 3-compartment storage box lowers down smoothly from above. The wooden panels are smooth and crack-free to ensure a perfect storage experience. And you can adjust the screws around to move and shift the storage containers as freely as you like. Number 8. Swing table. Now is a better time than ever to take on a home DIY project. If you work together with friends, you too can build this quirky garden table fitted with swings. A unique hybrid of a swing set and a table in approximately an hour. Available for outdoor or indoor use, it breaks down for shipping if you want to take the piece of furniture with you on a trip, and can be easily reassembled on arrival. The swing table with planter box brings a bit of the outdoors inside with a space for your greenery at the center of the table. We think this furniture works perfectly for an intimate, romantic brunch or a summertime party with friends. Number 7. Horizontal banisters. If you're thinking of remodeling your staircase banisters, why not take a horizontal approach? Lines are a very clean, organized way to make a design statement. And if you're the kind of person who pays special attention to interior decor and has a good sense of design, you too can bring life to your boring staircase banisters. By arranging the banisters in a horizontal rather than vertical orientation, it creates a modern feel, with the insertion of horizontal rounded metal bars proving to be a great way to make a contemporary statement. Number 6. Raised outdoor hammock. If you've got a raised outdoor space you're unsure of what to do with, check this out. By attaching beams for support to the outside wall of your house, you can extend your terrace area. Make sure to secure all beams with braces and through bolts for extra support. A good idea to approach this would be to make sure that every 6 inches, eye bolts are screwed into the inside of the beam. Then install the loft net in the vacant space to create an awesome hammock. It not only serves as a sunshade, but also a comfy chill out area. Number 5. Secret bookshelf storage compartment. Everyone wants their own secret space at home to store their precious belongings, and it can get really annoying if someone you don't like goes snooping around your stuff. Even if you find new places to hide your things, they somehow always manage to find it. Well, we've got just the solution for that. Here, we can see just how easy it is to create your own hiding space behind a bookshelf. Fitted as a swinging door with storage, it fits flush to the wall just like a bookcase. But in reality, it conceals a hollowed out wide compartment to store all your precious belongings. Number 4. Canopy stair. Turn a backyard tree into the perfect hangout spot using this tree trunk spiral staircase. The award-winning canopy stair is an incredibly designed staircase made for trees, with a simplistic, modular design that enables you to climb trees and enjoy the views. This railed staircase wraps around the trunk without damaging the tree, making it a safe to climb and eco-friendly way to ascend to your treehouse. With a geometrically sound structure organized enough to bring the legendary golden ratio to shame, you can let go of all worries of falling when you climb this staircase. Number 3. Stone SELEX. Are you bored of the current wall paneling in your home, but don't want to put a dent in your wallet by purchasing a whole new set of stone panels? You've come to the right place. Stone SELEX is a high-quality, affordable alternative to natural stone paneling that is sure to make you want to immediately line all of your walls with it. It's super convenient, easy to use, and wipe clean. In fact, even a total beginner could easily perform this task on their own. Simply apply used stone adhesive to the back of the stone and place on your feature wall. Then, you're good to go. Number 2. GREATMATS. If you're a naturally clumsy person prone to spilling liquids over previous carpets and mats, you're sure to know what a nightmare it can be trying to get the stain out. Sometimes, the cleaning process is so intensive that it permanently damages the mat too. GREATMATS, a set of 2x2 feet interlocking wood grain foam tiles, are the answer to your spillage problems. With an installation process that is so simple even a child could do it, it's like interlocking pieces of foam jigsaw puzzles to form your own mat. They have a soft cushion feel and are easy to clean and rearrange, lasting a long time to come. Number 1. Bella Turf Putting Green Kit. Ever wanted to be the next Tiger Woods? If you think you've got a career in holding, or if you just enjoy the sport as a hobby, you can turn your backyard into an incredible mini golf resort with simple landscape fabric. If that sounds daunting, don't worry. Landscape fabric is a perforated material that allows water and moisture to reach your soil. The Bella Turf Putting Green Kit is a great choice for this task, specifically because its kidney bean or hourglass shaped 20 by 13 foot designs allow you to make your own green patch. Each piece is labeled and designed for its sole purpose to avoid any issues with overlapping or misuse. Simply cover the putting green with 50 to 100 silica sand by using a flat-headed shovel. Following their easy step-by-step guide, you will be putting away in no time. Alright, comment below which of these inventions you want to try out first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.